Every night, I look up at the sky and envy the stars and their bright shine. They are far away from the chaos of this earth, lonely, but I guess they are not alone. Side by side, they sang in symphony, in tune, in choir, led by Mr. Moon. Oh, how I wish I could be up there with them, leaving this body, leaving my pain and sin. The depressing walls of my home, the lonely table, one clean plate, a glass, a fork and spoon. I have no stars, unlike Mr. Moon. The bland memories of roses and vases and singing chimes shook by the wind in the middle of midnight kisses. Charming, but short of life. Please keep this between us. I still remember her kiss before her flight. As you might have guessed, I'm a broken-hearted fool, drawn to the spirits brewed by the evil winds that sets my nights on fire. My confidant, when nobody listens, my battle tucks me to bed and quiets the screams of regrets inside my head. Though I'm very much contented of what I have right now, I'm tired. I want to fly after closing my eyes. Thus, every night I look up at the sky and envy the stars and their bright shine.